Afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to show y'all a few projects I've been working on the last few weeks. Starting early. It's not even October yet, and I'm gearing up for Christmas. But first thing I got here is I built a carousel. Now all this is it was supposed to have been, it's parts off a electric scooter that I had that really wasn't any good. Original intention was to use the motor off of it, but the motor is 24 volt, and I can't seem to get a volt or a adapter that would run it consistently. So I swapped it out for this little motor here. I picked this up on Amazon. It's about 25 bucks, I believe. I did use the rear wheel assembly off the scooter, and the chain drive. The shaft on the motor is actually the same as the electric scooter motor was, so the sprocket just set right down on there, no issues. I think this turns at 60 RPM. It's a little bit stronger than this other motor I'll show you here in just a second. I originally bought this motor to run my Ferris wheel that I built last year, because the motor that was on it, it's identical, except it only ran at 15 RPMs, and under load it would sometimes slip and the carousel or the Ferris wheel wouldn't run. I've still got lights to, I've got to go buy lights for it. This one's bound up. The next project is this Teetertotter I built. I used the motor off of that I did have on the Ferris wheel. It's a lot less load on this thing, so it doesn't slip. It does kind of bind up right here. There's a little bit of adjustment I've got to do there. This motor runs at 15 RPMs, and I bought it on Amazon. It was probably 20 bucks too. I'm going to put something over the front of this, some kind of design, just to cover it all, or cover that up, so you're not seeing the mechanism. And I'm going to add some stuffed animals to either end of some sort. I haven't decided yet. Last one I've been working on is this dancing Santa. All this is, it's just a windshield wiper motor powered by a old computer power supply I had lying around. I've got it covered with this plastic bowl here. I'm going to caulk around it just to protect it better. This is like a throwback to an old Christmas decoration my grandparents had. A little dancing Santa that you wound up and it set on the mantle. And this is kind of a homage to that, I guess you could say. But that's what I've been working on so far. I've got to drag my Ferris wheel out. I've got some repairs to do on it and find another motor for it since I stole it for the carousel. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching.